This is the mobile application named Halonix Smart. This application is used to control the smart devices in your homes. For example, smart bulbs or maybe smart plugs, fans, different kinds of lights, switches, etc. This app controls all those devices and those can be accessed by pairing the devices independently and controlling them via this application. This application has a feature of using the weather data of the current location of the user and automating the processes on the devices. For example, a user can have multiple home locations like I have right now. I have a plug at location 2 and bulb at location 1, and I can automate few things by going to the automating processes. Like for example, when the weather changes from sunsets to sunrise at this location, I can have my bulb switch on. In this manner, I can automate the process of switching off and off of the bulb by by checking what is the weather outside and effectively changing the status of my smart devices. So these kind of automation processes or called routines are used, but they need a data on the location as well as the weather. So the weather is taken by using the location, so that is why the app needs location periodically in the background.